Gravitation, NEET 2026 MCQs, 51 to 100. 51. Which of the following is correct about gravitational force? A. It is strongest among all fundamental forces. B. It is a short-range force. C. It is the weakest of all fundamental forces. D. It depends on charge. Answer: C. It is the weakest of all fundamental forces. 52. The orbital speed of a satellite increases if A. Mass of satellite increases. B. Radius of orbit increases. C. Radius of orbit decreases. D. Mass of Earth increases. Answer: C. Radius of orbit decreases. 53. Which physical quantity is conserved in satellite motion? A. Linear momentum. B. Angular momentum. C. Force. D. Mass. Answer: B. Angular momentum. 54. The period of revolution of a satellite close to the Earth is independent of A. Radius of Earth. B. Mass of Earth. C. Mass of the satellite. D. Gravitational constant. Answer: C. Mass of the satellite. 56. A satellite in orbit has A. Only kinetic energy. B. Only potential energy. C. Only mechanical energy. D. Both kinetic and potential energy. Answer: D. Both kinetic and potential energy. 58. If the Earth stops rotating, the value of GGG at the equator will A. Increase. B. Decrease. C. Remain the same. D. Become zero. Answer: A. Increase. 59. The centripetal force on a satellite is provided by A. Tension. B. Gravity. C. Normal force. D. Air drag. Answer: B. Gravity. 61. The escape velocity on a planet depends on A. Mass only. B. Radius only. C. Both mass and radius. D. Gravitational constant only. Answer: C. Both mass and radius. 64. The ratio of gravitational acceleration at equator to that it pulls is A. 1. B. Equals 1. C. 1. D. Equals 0. Answer: A. 1. 65. If a tunnel is dug through the Earth and a ball is dropped, it will A. Stop at center. B. Keep moving in SHM. C. Go to the other side and stop. D. Escape Earth's gravity. Answer: B. Keep moving in SHM. 66. What happens to value of GGG as depth increases? A. Increases. B. Decreases. C. Remains same. D. Becomes infinite. Answer: B. Decreases. 68. Which factor is constant for all geostationary satellites? A. Altitude. B. Orbital velocity. C. Angular velocity. D. Linear velocity. Answer: C. Angular velocity. 69. Which energy is negative for bound system? A. Kinetic. B. Potential. C. Mechanical. D. Elastic. Answer: C. Mechanical. 70. The escape velocity is independent of A. Radius of planet. B. Mass of planet. C. Mass of object. D. Gravitational constant. Answer: C. Mass of object. 71. Orbital velocity is A. Directly proportional to square root of radius. B. Inversely proportional to square root of radius. C. Directly proportional to radius. D. Inversely proportional to radius. Answer: B. Inversely proportional to square root of radius. 73. Gravitational field intensity outside a spherical shell is A. 0. B. Constant. C. As if all mass at center. D. Decreases linearly. Answer: C. As if all mass at center. 74. At what height above Earth is gravity reduced to 75% of its surface value? A. R/4R. B. R/2R. C. RRR. D. R/square root 3R. Answer: B. R/2R.
75 satelliite used for communicationis. A. Polar satellite. B. Geostationary satellite. C. Artificial satellite. D. Solar satellite. Answer: B. Geostationary satellite.
76. A body is said to be in weightlessness when A. No gravity. B. No atmosphere. C. Gravitational force equals centripetal force. D. Normal force becomes 0. Answer: D. Normal force becomes 0. 77. The minimum velocity to orbit Earth is called A. Orbital velocity. B. Escape velocity. C. Terminal velocity. D. Rotational velocity. Answer: A. Orbital velocity. 78. Gravitational field inside a hollow sphere is A. Constant. B. 0. C. Inversely proportional to R. D. Directly proportional to R. Answer: B. 0. 79. The Earth orbits the Sun due to A. Inertia. B. Gravity. C. Rotation. D. Magnetism. Answer: B. Gravity. 80. The velocity of satellite in orbit is A. Constant in magnitude and direction. B. Constant in magnitude, changing direction. C. Increasing. D. Decreasing. Answer, B. Constant in magnitude, changing direction. 81. Which law explains the shape of planetary orbits? A. Kepler's first law. B. Kepler's second law. C. Kepler's third law. D. Newton's law. Answer, A. Kepler's first law. 82. The direction of gravitational field is A. Radial outward. B. Radial inward. C. Circular. D. Undefined. Answer, B. Radial inward. 83. A planet closer to the Sun has A. Longer time period. B. Slower speed. C. Smaller time period. D. Same time period as others. Answer, C. Smaller time period. 84. Which of these is not affected by gravitational field? A. Light. B. Mass. C. Energy. D. Charge. Answer, D. Charge. 85. If Earth's mass becomes 4 times, escape velocity becomes A. Twice. B. 4 times. C. Half. D. Same. Answer, A. Twice. 86. Satellite in circular orbit has A. Constant speed. B. Constant velocity. C. Constant acceleration. D. Zero kinetic energy. Answer, A. Constant speed. 87. Gravitational force acts along A. Tangent. B. Normal. C. Line joining centers. D. Perpendicular to line joining centers. Answer, C. Line joining centers. 88. Weight of a body depends on A. Mass only. B. Gravity only. C. Mass and gravity. D. Volume. Answer, C. Mass and gravity. 90. Mass of a body on the moon is A. More than on Earth. B. Less than on Earth. C. Same as on Earth. D. 0. Answer, C. Same as on Earth. 91. Which of the following is used to measure weight? A. Spring balance. B. Beam balance. C. Vernier caliper. D. Hydrometer. Answer, A. Spring balance. 92. If a satellite moves from a lower to a higher orbit, its speed A. Increases. B. Decreases. C. Remains constant. D. Becomes 0. Answer, B. Decreases. 93. The escape speed is minimum on A. Jupiter. B. Mars. C. Earth. D. Moon. Answer, D. Moon. 94. The trajectory of escape is A. Circle. B. Ellipse. C. Parabola. D. Hyperbola. Answer, C. Parabola. 95. The gravitational potential at the center of the Earth is A. 0. B. Minimum. C. Maximum. D. Infinite. Answer, B. Minimum. 96. Force of gravity is A. Scalar. B. Vector. C. Imaginary. D. Unitless. Answer, B. Vector. 97. Value of GGG varies with A. Mass. B. Distance. C. Time. D. None of these. Answer, D. None of these. 98. As we go to deep underground, value of GGG. A. Increases. B. Decreases. C. Remains same. D. Becomes negative. Answer, B. Decreases. 99. Satellite moving with escape velocity has A. Circular orbit. B. Parabolic path. C. Elliptical path. D. Rectilinear motion. Answer, B. Parabolic path. 100. Which law is universal in nature? A. Coulomb's law. B. Newton's law of gravitation. C. Newton's